Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all? Some of our subscribers are asking for some juice recipes. It should be a healthy juice recipe. So I will prepare one of the recipe and I like to share with you all. This is very easy. We can made it within a 10 to 15 minutes, maximum in half an hour. The name of the recipe is strawberry rose water juice. You can make the rose water in your house. It is very easy. Take a fresh rose, remove the petals, soak in water and make it boil for minimum 20 to 25 minutes in the low fire. And after that 25 minutes off the gas, keep that one separate until the rose color come into the water. Keep it separate this one and take the strawberry, cut into 4 pieces. Put little sugar along with the strawberry and put some water. Make it boil. It's same like a strawberry compote, but it's not mash. It's just for 5 to 10 minutes like that and remove it from the fire. Mix with the rose petal water and cut a half lemon. Put the lemon juice on it, mix it well. After that, add little salt and pepper. After, take the strawberry separate and filter the rose water. Pour in the glass and put some strawberry inside the juice and serve with mint. This is the one of the easiest recipe and new recipe. Before I think you never heard, and there is lot of health benefits also. The rose petals will help you to improve your skin health, eye health, digestion, sore throat and brain health, and it helps to protect the cell against the damage. So there is some health benefits also. So you can make it anytime and you can refrigerate and you can serve with your family members or guests. This is a new recipe. Please try and please suggest your comments in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please send me mail. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'll give the recipe in the description. If you have any doubts, kindly check and follow. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Be happy. God bless you all. Thank you.